Piny owacho chako chenro mar menyo kaka dongruok dhi nyime e gwenge. Chenro mag arita kwe kod mamoko bende rango. Sirikal kokalo e migawo mar arita opogo masinde manyasani ma koro biro choko kendo chwalo chenro mag sirikal kod rango mago ma okwamo. Jagoro mongire e migawo mar arita kwe Dr. Raymond Omolo bang' bedo kod romo kod commissioners kod komanda ma counties notelo nyasi makamano.
Today, as the State Department for Internal Security and National Administration and the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, having a meeting with all the 8 regional commissioners and the 47 county commissioners. And what we are doing today is launching what we are calling Project Better, which is a digital tool for monitoring all the government projects and programs across all the 47 counties. So what we have done is to have an efficient mechanism of capturing what is going on and being able to monitor and being able to report. Now the tool is of course both county specific and region specific, and by just the touch of a button from where I sit as the PS, I would be able to know literally what is happening across the country, whether there are programs.
Governor County